Yeah, that's the question I get a lot when I tell people what I'm working on, because my thesis was about the quantum effects in this, and then people are like, "But what are quantum effects?" And like, are they any relevant? Because usually people think about the quantum, they think about the very, let's say, electrons and atoms, and that doesn't seem to be very relevant to the world we are living in, because it's just so much smaller and we cannot really see, we cannot interact with it. But I would say, in principle, they could play probably a very significant role in a lot of processes. If we go to elementary level, like for example, the way we see things, or the way our senses work, or well, in principle, chemical reactions is, let's say, probably the most obvious one. But a lot of those things, even though they're on the very, let's say, small level, they could still have effect on the much bigger scale. I think there is but then again, it's again, if we go on the very end of the process, when we perceive things, when the light hits the eye, I think in the very end, there is a sort of isomerization of one molecule. And that, as far as I know, is one of the examples of quantum processes, which are kind of key process, or at least one of the key processes in the way that we can actually see the world around us.